If it wasn't for the Goodway customers that have been continually coming to us over the years for solutions to their problems, we wouldn't be here today. The Norwegian roots of the founder of this company allowed us to be doing business back not only in Norway, but in the rest of Western Europe at a very early stage. Though we're very proud to be an American company, we provide products for customers all over the world. And whether it's a sugar refinery down in Venezuela, it's a cooling tower operation in the Middle East, or it's an office building in Singapore, what's interesting is that these folks, generally speaking, all have the same challenge ahead of them. Is how do I maintain my equipment in the most efficient manner possible? The early innovative possibilities came from the energy sector. It then became our direction. What can we do as a company to improve the energy efficiency of those pieces of equipment? And that really began to determine the path that Goodway took. And we've been able to make a significant dent in improving the energy consumption of that building. The Goodway products are derived from situations where we've gotten out into the field, we've experienced the problems that our customers are experiencing, and that's helped us to provide solutions. Whether it's mechanical, whether it's chemical, we're going to come up with the best solution we can for our customer and make a difference in their day-to-day maintenance activities. This leads to innovation. We've got over 30 patents in our name to this point. We're constantly coming up with new technologies, new processes, and new patents in order to help our customers do their job better. Our sales engineers have a direct relationship with our customers. But I think it's also important to note that the information that comes from our customers is directly sent on to our engineering department. So if there's a problem with any equipment or a particular challenge, or we need to customize something to make it applicable to the exact application that our customer has, we have the means and ability to do that. Goodway has developed some equipment that's so unique that it's actually opened up new markets of opportunity. We've grown over the years to be from a boutique manufacturer to a market leader. You're just as likely to find Goodway equipment on board a cruise ship, in a power plant, out on an oil platform in the middle of the Gulf. Whether it's cleaning salt off of a missile tube on board a submarine, or it's cleaning chocolate sauce out of a line, it really is amazing how many different applications our equipment has in areas all over the world. The Goodway brand means reliability. It's a brand that customers can count on for consistency of quality. We have the most extensive warranty in the business, and we back it every day. When you talk about delivering service and delivering products in a timely manner, it really starts with having capacity here at Goodway. We have the inventory and the personnel to deliver products in a very timely fashion anywhere in the world. That's a hard thing to do when you're talking about, in some cases, customized product solutions, but it's something that we pride ourselves on. One of the unique advantages about being in the position I'm in is that I get to see the pipeline of the future with regards to Goodway products, and we've got some great stuff coming down the line. I think we're going to make the jobs easier and more efficient for our customers, and we're going to tremendously improve the benefits of energy efficiency in buildings around the world.